today at the SAE Perth Showcase 2025 Try 3.
I'm Simone Citrani and we are here at the Perth Showcase for the Trimester 3 2025. So it was my first time as a director and I honestly never thought that it could be an option for me, but I honestly kind of enjoyed it, especially because there was a good connection for the story.
It's broadened my idea of what I'm capable of, which is it's been really good. My initial intention was just to do editing and have that be the only thing, but working with Simone on this film, I've kind of gotten into producing a bit more, and it's really shown me that I do have some transferable skills.
This is probably the try when I learned the most, and it was a really, really good experience, and I'm happy about the final product, and I hope that people is going to enjoy it as much as I do.
But my name is Kieran Durl.
My name is Piyush Chan.
Yeah, the short film is called Away, directed by Simone, and it's about an Italian person that has arrived to Australia. It's kind of a comedy.
Yeah, it is.
Yeah.
It is. Yeah, no, the networking here is amazing because, like Kieran said, you meet a lot of people with potential, and it's amazing, especially with like people that you want to work again with in the future.
And learning all the ways that you can do it professionally at SAE is superb. SAE teaches you all the gaps that people that don't go through classes as well as any courses lack.
My name is Savannah Scacera and I'm the creative director of Encore Fest documentary, One Night High Impact. The most exciting thing I would probably say is the amount of opportunities and the gear, the lecturers that we get to talk to, all the knowledge that they can also give to us. Constantly network with people. It's probably the most important asset that you need within this university, within all these creatives, is constantly networking. Once you have that connection, you're set for pretty much the rest of your career. It feels like you've become into something bigger. SAE has given me that. I would 100% recommend the Bachelor of Audio at SAE.
And my name is Ethan Gillett. I'm a music student.
Hi, my name is Sorogya, and I also came here to perform at the showcase. I came to SAE to learn how to make music, and now I've become pretty good at it. So I'm really thankful.
Quite significantly, it's given me opportunity to work with professionals and experts who are there in every class, who are there for you to email, to message on Slack. The openness of being able to communicate with people who have done this before is a great help, and it has helped me expand my repertoire and my skills.
Personally, it's the quality of the project I can put out now compared to what it was before.
This major project, we've been able to work together. I have never really worked on hip-hop before. So this has really helped me learn new mixing techniques, production techniques. It's really helped me hone my skill.
Well, I'd say our capstone mixtape that we are part of, it was like an amazing experience overall. Yeah.
So my name is Hayden Longfield.
My name's Jeremiah Franklin.
We are showing off our game today that we made at the end of our diploma. It's called Sports Splits, and yeah, it's on Steam. So I was basically like the team lead, so I gave everyone the roles, but I also did my own share of the programming and the assets and everything like that.
I did assets and scripting, and also was head of all the audio and the music for the game.
Thinking I would struggle with the 3D art unit, but that turned out absolutely amazing, I think. I made one of the coolest 3D models that I probably could have made, and I'm so glad I did that unit, even though I was so scared to do it at the start.
I had a lot of fun actually being able to make a full game and being able to creatively bounce off of people who were also in games, while also showing off other stuff that I've learned, such as the audio stuff, and also being able to put it in a place that I really am happy with the final product with.
Collaboration. If you can come into class and work with your peers, even if it's a solo project, working with your peers is 100% the most important thing to do at SAE.
I'm Liam. I'm here showcasing a game I was part of the creation of.
Hey, I'm Fraser Dealer.
Making a game that is called Barrel Halla. It is a game which you play as a red barrel, trying to or not to get blown up by bullets trying to blow you up.
I was programmer, so I was designing all of the abilities and getting the attacks and such sorted for each of the bosses.
I was creative lead.
As I design it, I get stuck and then I talk with the teachers and then it's like, okay, they suggest things and then I learn new things. It just creates like this cycle of learning, developing and figuring out new stuff.
You get to sort of make your own mistakes and then give you a hand with it and help you sort of shape this project without having too much creative control over it. You still have a lot of fun with it. So yeah, I think they're very good at being hands-off, being there for you at the same time. There was a kid who came along and played the game. I don't know if you saw. Fantastic. Seeing people get a hands-on grip on what you're doing, and from this 10-year-old who just had a blast of a time. So good.
So I'm Ella Thomas. I was the production designer on The Blood We Swim that's showing here.
I'm Harry Sands and I was the audio guy on The Blood We Swim in.
Come here open-minded. You're going to meet lots of people and it's just going to be wow, oh my god, so many different ideas. Be open as much as possible. Take on everything. Connections is everything.
So literally SAE guides you through the process. They tell you everything you need to know. You kind of pick it up on the way. It's a lot of practical work. There's not a lot of essay writing. There's not a lot of assignment work. There's no exams. Everything is practical. You kind of learn. You go through the process. It's the best way to do it.
Starting in Try 1, get used to all the core sort of techniques and storytelling, and then going through all those units step by step leads you into Try 6 where you do the graduating project, which making the film. So I got to say, all the classes really do help you.
My name is Piyush Shan.
My name's Renee Campbell. I was the cinematographer on the Chairs That Face West, so the capstone that's playing tonight. I think that entire experience has probably been the highlight of my whole time at SAE.
So my highlight of the year for SAE would be on Chairs That Face West. I was the BTS photographer. Learning how to edit gave me a headache, but learning how to use the camera and stuff, so becoming a DOP, or even just recently I've learned how to use lights and stuff and becoming more of a gaffer.
Coming to SAE, I always thought that I'd never be interested in cameras or cinematography. Always thought I was a bit of a screenwriter or director, more creative, production designer roles, but through a couple units of cinematography, I found a great passion for it. I found it really interesting, and then that has sparked my journey into being a DOP and cinematographer.
Hi, I'm Michelle John, and I've been working with the group here on their films and animation for 25 with a focus on sustainability and climate change. And as a professor, I have really enjoyed working with them. They've been a fabulous group of students, and I think the animations they've done today should stand them in proud. It was really wonderful for me to see the messaging that we taught them and their ability to take it on and transcribe it into the 3 30-second animations we've seen.
How has SAE helped you grow as an animator?
I've just become significantly more confident, and my knowledge of just everything has just expanded so much. It's ridiculous.
We keep going for all the projects, and the lecturer help us to move forward. Yeah.
Just the people and the way animation is done at SAE. It's just a lot of project based, so it was really easy to get into and to learn about everything.
Yeah, I really like learning the full process and getting help with the professional work practices and stuff. Yeah.
I think the teachers, interacting with them, they constantly give feedback how to improve. It was really fun, and I think I've learned a lot.
Get some understand how the industry works in some way. I really that has helped me a lot as an artist and really developing up all my skills.
I think although it can be a lot more work, having trimesters is a lot better for animation in particular, because the workflow requires you to put a lot of weeks into it. It's really good to be able to spend months on one project.
It's about the idea of if we don't protect our environment and our animals, they'll become mythical creatures. So we use our animals and combine them with the griffin to demonstrate what we'll remember them by if we don't save them.
What are you most proud of?
I'm really surprised at how good I became at drawing clouds. It was better than I expected.
It was certainly a challenge. We were combining two almost disparate ideals of family-friendly, non-political, and the idea of climate change. And I think our group really came together and pulled it off in a really visually excelling and also entertaining way. Yeah.
I think probably the best advice I try and instill in our students is continue the networking, continue building those relationships, and building those relationships help you get to the next step. I know it's a bit of a cliche, you probably heard it from day one. Not only is it going to reward you in your professional careers, but it will also reward you, more importantly I think, is creating friendships.